Amasain sibaile vek ule hei tuntum kan video chu kan Tute weekend a khoterute Lititz anti Pennsylvania State park nuam em ombok na kan shwaya hei an kholai taka hianin tuite luanga varak tam takan oma kan Tuten.
You like the ducks?
Vedu takin tin kan shwai ni
Oh, look at all the duckies coming by. Wow, look at the ducks. Whoa. That's cool. Whoa, they just like flew real fast.
Horrible idea. I want to try and reach down and get one of them.
I bet these ducks are well fed.
He khoterute hi sangkha zasari somli vela changa lo omto ania he hmuna local phasa te chu German mi ania he khomi puite hian an city hi nuam takin park nuam takan siama tin he in han mu ang hian an kholai taka hian lui luang an han siama chuta varak tam tak an da boka he anuam em a abul vela han kalte po nuama tin kan Tute pon nuaman te hle ni.
Talk to each other like you're...
All right. Ready? That's an old train.
Yeah.
Say, Papa.
Helai kan omnak mun takhi train station lui ani bokani. Hei
Take
ina
someone to
kan
do what?
shwai lipa panga te hi kan tu te ania ala shalo te ngam takin Daphne papa te anni kan Tute hi an felve em a thil ti hawang kan ti chuanin min hnial ngai lawa tin last te le run te hian an nau te hi an enkol ne ve khopa kalna pianga an responsibility hi an sheve em ani chuwang chuanin pangalai po omila kan chok ton zela anwam ve khop mai hei.
Yeah, you'll stay like that until like your 50s, bro. You start drinking even more, Lars. Yeah, notice that you're drinking.
He Khua hi an siam nuam em a bikin tourist attraction thei ang ber tura siam ania mitam takin weekend a le holiday ate hem hun hi an local chin ani dor tam taka oma restaurant tam taka oma bar te oma in park te po a oma ka soi to ang khan ke ni po hei kan han kal kwal zela duai ni ero asade uhek ani hei helai hmuna hian chocolate siam na lo oma kan han lut lokani hi kan Tute nen achunga hian
See them making chocolate? What do you think of that, huh?
chuanin an siam lai kha
They're making the chocolate.
boka hi achung lama hian an chocolate siam lai te kan han tir kwal ven ani hi.
What's your favorite chocolate? What's your favorite chocolate? What's your favorite chocolate? Thank you very much.
You're slipping in your polish.
This is where Willy Wonka started.
This is the actual chocolate. These like this is our
What you have in your
these
mouth.
looks like ice cream.
Alright, so this is where we make our chocolate and that's it.
This chocolate.
I'm gonna get a kid.
Okay. Go look at the chocolate because
That
down there.
is the chocolate.
Okay. Kuta kwan bakalo soda son soda. Chocolate soda and soda son.
That song.
Oh, soda son. Papa niya na bakalo son. Papa niya na.
Dein te hi a ular sele run te hianin an pum te urang
You're gonna have burrito?
berani boka an duat em boka ni hey Mexican restaurant a so ei turin kan han du ta
Hey, don't do that, Vita. Don't do that.
I'm safe with rice.
You feel better? Kan Tute hian Mexican chaw hi atuyan tia tacos verte hi andu ve em ani hei chun chaw kan ei hnuin kan han kan kwal le don nia pangpa te hi moin amun hi an siam nuam em a no pangpan pon anuam le ni Okay. Hey hi day nania tum ding to ai lang wal ve to dia wa hey hi seji ania tuna ani hi kum riat Okay. Okay, let's go baby. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hey kan tlang wal pathum te hi fin tia run tia le last ten ni e What is it? Oh, what is that? Oh, a froggy? Okay. All right. Okay, let's go. Come here, this way.
It's an apple.
I know. Okay.
Oh, the frog.
Okay, keep going. Keep going. I'll follow you.
It's a frog.
A frog. Say, utrok.
Ultra.
Utrok. Utrok. Ule aputen car andala dona parking atangin teni elai street a hianin kan lola zui chawani hi dor tam tak a oma dor music tam jok hi an khar tan to ani Hippies use side door. I love that. That's really neat. Hey, kan street pakhat kal ma hian ho pa hi lo zai bot ko ma ya em tu te ma lo ne ya ke le den kan han em te ani hi There, right there. Hey le den te tu oi boka lam ro kan tia hey lai pa zai na hian athiam angin an lam an hi apelania hey azak del chung suma kan lam ri ti ra ni hey kan han lam du nge ye tu pa fel mani ka tu oi bok si top. Okay, go. Yay! Helaya pa zai tan hian sa lem kan han kho le ni hi hey abura avakhung na le. All right. Yay! Very good job. Ole khati song kha tu na tan lo ni le ri se kan lom em. Thank you so much and God bless.